Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Razr 40 Ultra to an Android device. Firstly, just go into Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Begin by tapping on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Motorola. You can finally use all of those categories at the top to choose files that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the couple of them. In my case, those two pictures. When you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected located at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then hit while using the app to allow camera access and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to use this key, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then choose the Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!